Hi everybody, road construction or repair can be interesting for many people because some of the techniques used are pretty incredible and creative. Also, the tools invented for road construction or repair are great. In our video, we talk about some road construction techniques, technologies, and road inventions. You may be seeing some of them for the first time. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Automated pothole patcher. This machine repairs potholes and surface cracks in a single operation. It uses hydraulic pressure-controlled cylinder, compactor, and robotic arm, giving the operator full control. It takes an average of 2 minutes to repair the hole in the asphalt. Airport runway construction machine. The GP4 is capable of paving widths of up to 12 meters. Designed as an ideal paver for airports' runways and large roads, saving huge amounts of labor, and it's operated comfortably. LIGHTHOOF panels. The system is based on blocks made of flexible plastic strips about 8 centimeters high. Blocks made of these plastic strips are laid on the ground and then filled with gravel. This is the perfect choice for muddy roads, especially in animal care areas. Repair with gap mastic. Extremely flexible and extremely versatile, gap mastic has been developed for use in all asphalt repairs. For example, here you see it applied in a deep crack. It is very easy to apply and you can see the effect quickly. Soil stabilization. Engineers have developed a way to strengthen soil materials with virtually no additional effort. It's called K31 APS soil stabilizer. Soil ground is being prepared to apply this chemical. This soil stabilizer consists of environmentally friendly chemicals that work with nanotechnology and make the best soil hardening products. The floors on which this chemical is applied are similar to concrete. It's the best soil stabilizer product and soil stabilization method in the market. Plastic road. Plastic roads are roads which entirely consist of modular, hollow, and prefabricated road elements made from consumer waste plastics. Imagine that constructing a road would take days instead of months. And that cable and piping problems as well as the urban water problem are solved overnight. The plastic road has a hollow space that can be used to store water, thus preventing flooding during extreme precipitation. The hollow space can also be used for the transit of cables and pipes, thus preventing excavation damages. WATTWAY photovoltaic road. WATTWAY is the world's first photovoltaic road surfacing. Photovoltaic is a method of obtaining electricity from the sun by means of solar cells or solar panels. WATTWAY is manufactured with a new type of solar panel that is amazingly thin and solid. The photovoltaic panels are glued to the existing surface of roads, parking lots without the need for major civil engineering work. WATTWAY can produce electricity without encroaching on agricultural land and natural landscapes. Each panel is made up of conventional photovoltaic cells which transform solar energy into electricity. These cells are covered with a multi-layered substrate that is translucent and durable enough to withstand vehicle traffic.